With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the antenna. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We use premium red adhesive roll for mobile devices. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.